Good morning, guys. Welcome to the special weekend episode. Today we'll discuss about on stock. Prior starting to video, there is a disclaimer. The stock, what I suggest, is only for learning purpose. Okay, if you are in plan to invest, is purely based on your risk assessment as well as your financial planning. Okay. Today we'll discuss about on stock. Is a Varun Beverages. You may be knowing it's a Nifty Next 50 stocks. Okay, we will see the fundamental as well as the technical analysis of the particular stock, and we will see how where the stock is currently trading. Okay, first we will see the technical analysis. This is the monthly chart of Varun Beverages. Uh, it just went to last year. It has went to a high of 684. Yeah, 681. Then from there is a consolidation and it came down near to 423. So there is a fall of more than 25 to 30% from the all-time high. Okay. uh, why I have selected this stock for our analysis is like there is a few tailwinds that I will discuss in later in the fundamental areas. So if you see this chart, it came down with a two big red candle, and here it is consolidating. Okay, so if it crosses this level, okay, I think 500 level or something, then there is a high chance that it will make move to the new all-time high, and it will be a good holding for long-term investing. The stock what I discuss here is purely for long term, not for the swing trading or intraday analysis. Okay, it's because it long term means it's for 2, 3, 4 years like that. Okay, I can see a good potential in for growth in this particular stock. Coming to the Varun Beverages, a business point of view, as you know, this is the largest distributor of PepsiCo outside the US. They have they have so many carbonated and non-carbonated brands like Pepsi, 7 Up, then juices like Tropicana, then drinks like water like Aquafina. Okay, so these they are the largest distributor outside US for these branches, and uh, they have some food snacks also like Kurkure, all these kind of snacks. Okay, currently we I attended a phone call of this management. In that they said that they are expanding their business in Morocco and as well as the African countries. They are planning to uh, establish a new plans for food business like snacks business in Morocco as well as in African countries. Okay, as a growth perspective, we can see a good, clearly a good guidance from the management. So for the sales also, we can expect a good sales growth in the coming months. If you see the last few quarters, because of the monsoon, big monsoon in India, you know that monsoon that during the monsoon period, the people avoid taking these carbonated drinks and they feel less thirsty because of the sales of foreign beverages was low. But since there is so many tailwinds from the governments regarding the increasing the consumption, reducing the GST, implementing new GST forms, and increasing the tax rate for slab. So we can we can expect a good improvement in the revenue for the Varun Beverages in the next future quarters. Okay, so this is regarding the technical. If you see the fundamental, let's go to the screener. You can see, you see the market cap is around 1,59,000 crore. So good market cap. Current price is trading around 470, and it made a high of 664 as well as low of 419. Okay, stock is trading at a high P. I accept that, but see if you see the peer companies, no, it is almost comparable. Valencia Nutrition is trading at 154, and if you see the profit ROCA, and it is reasonably justifiable, because sometimes we cannot only rely on the P to select a stocks. Okay, we need to see other aspects also. If you see the earnings per share to P ratio, see this it is P The earnings per share is increasing continuously in the last few months, and here the PE was higher. Now the PE to earning per share is very low. That means the stock is trading at a below is a normal valuation. Okay, so by seeing this, we can expect that stock to give a good return in the coming months because the earning per share is continuously increasing. Okay, from the past few months. Okay, and this prawns is company has reduced debt. Company has delivered good profit growth of 14.4 CAGR over last 5 years. These are all prawns, and consequence is like once his stock is trading at 8.66 times his book value, promoter holding has decreased. So it's slight decrease in the promoter holding. So it's, when it compared to the peer industry peers, it is trading at a good value and good valuation. You can see the profit growth continuously for the last few quarters. It was increasing, and there is a dip from the last quarter. As I told you, because of the monsoon and all, their sales was less. And once it is over, then we can expect the sales growth from India as well as in the African countries. But it is, I can say, it is steady. Okay, net profit was also good. It is steadily it is improving. Or you see the operating profit for the last 12 months, trailing 12 months, it is increasing from December to till date of this year. It is increasing from 4815 to 4986. It shows a continuous improvement in the sales as well as the profit. Okay. Uh, but yeah, we can see this cash flow is also very good in the last year from 88 to 2024 net cash flow. And if you see the holdings, FIS slightly increased the holding from 21.86 to 21.93, and DAS has increased from 10.5 to 11.78. So we can see a investment coming in this stocks from DAS as well as the FIS that will really push the stocks to move upwards. Okay, so this is regarding the fundamental, and regarding that news point of view, as I already told you, company has a clear plans and guidance to increase the sales in African regions, Morocco African regions, that will boost the sales and revenues for the overall. Okay, and there is some cons also, like there is a high competition from uh, Reliance Industries, like they have launched Samba Cola as well as from other competitors, like local players are there. So there are so many local players that will generate some few competition, and from the Coca-Cola also they are expecting good competition. So by considering all this, there is a competition, but since this is a larger distributor, we can expect a good return in the future years from these stocks. Okay, and coming back to the technical, if as I told you, if you this is value crosses this 500, we can expect a good run in these stocks for in the coming years. Okay, so overall I could see this is a good stock for you in for the long term investing. If it falls under your risk management or your thought process, you can consider to add it in your portfolio. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. I will come with another stocks in the coming periods.